that's a reverse holo rare into, hey, check it out, another rare holo. So we actually got a double rare pack. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be opening up the 3 random Pokemon booster packs that I purchased off of Amazon. If you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see how it comes packaged to you right here. Again, we have 3 random booster packs. So check it out. It's wrapped in plastic, and I can see first up, the pack that we have is the Sword and Shield Battle Styles, but again, this is all completely random. Now let's go ahead, let's open this up and see the other packs. All right, so check it out. Here are the 3 booster packs that we got. Obviously, we could see the Battle Styles one from the packaging, but the other 2 packs inside are Evolving Skies and Chilling Reign. 30 cards total, 10 cards per pack. Now let's go ahead, let's open them up and see what we pull. All right, so first up, let's go ahead, let's open up our Battle Styles pack. Let's see what we can get. Hopefully something good. That would be awesome, awesome, awesome. No peek in here. All right, let's go ahead, let's take our code card out of the way. I believe it's 4. Did we do it right? All right, there we go. Always a good sign to see the energy first. So you can see the cards that we're pulling. Lickitung, Horsey, Mankey, some of the OGs. I love it. All right, we're getting close. Ooh, check it out. So there we go. We got our reverse holo there. Uncommon into. All right, we did get a holo rare. Let's go. Ember. All right, next up, let's open our Evolving Skies pack. See if we can pull something good again. No peeking at the code card. Let's flip it around. Okay, we got our energy. Golduck. Always get excited to see the ones from when I was a kid. Nickit. Lil Pup. All right, a Flapple. Looks like it's some sort of fighting apple. I don't know. And that's a reverse holo rare into, hey, check it out, another rare holo. So we actually got a double rare pack. Exciting stuff. We got our Entei holo. Entei, excuse me. Check that out. And then we got our Flapple reverse holo rare. What a pack. All right, last but not least, let's go ahead. Let's open up our Chilling Reign pack. We'll see what we can pull out of here. No peeking. All right, we got our energy. Coughing. I love it. Galarian Farfetch'd. Porygon. Heracross. Heracross. We had a little deja vu there, but that's cool. We got both versions of them. Into, check it out. All right, so this is a non-holo rare. We got our Spiritomb. But we got our double Heracross back-to-back into our non-holo rare. So here's a look at our quick hits right here. So we got our rares, our reverse holos, and our commons and uncommons. Overall, I think my highlight was definitely opening up the pack that had 2 rares, so you can see them right here. And we have our biggest hitter out of the bunch coming in at around 40 cents. Yeah, you heard me right. Not $40, 40 cents. But overall, great time opening up these packs. I never seem to do really well opening Battle Styles or Evolving Skies or Chilling Reign, and the tradition continues on. Maybe you'll have better luck. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.